Every legendary bottle of Pappy Van Winkle begins its life in the heart of an American distillery. This is where one of the world's most sought-after bourbons is born. Millions of dollars in liquid gold. One continuous, time-honored process. This distillery never sleeps. One hand holds the beginning. The other holds a legend. What happens in between defines America's most expensive bourbon.
From humble grains to one of the world's most coveted spirits, no castave. This line creates liquid history.
Every kernel is selected for perfection. Quality for Pappy Van Winkle starts long before distillation.
One poor batch can ruin years of aging. This is where excellence is first enforced.
The exact wheat-heavy recipe is one of the closely guarded secrets behind Pappy's smoothness. Precision milling sets the stage for every flavor note that will develop over decades. Every pound is accounted for. The soul of Pappy Van Winkle is in this precise balance. Temperature control before mashing ensures maximum flavor extraction later. Grain conditioning maintains tight temperature tolerances for consistency. This wheat-forward blend is what gives Pappy its legendary softness. This is the moment simple grains begin their long journey toward becoming Pappy Van Winkle. Accurate grain feed rates directly impact overall bourbon yield. Enzymes work their magic here, unlocking the flavors that will age for decades.
This sweet liquid holds the promise of the finished bourbon.
Yeast works for days to create the foundation that time will transform into greatness. Copper removes impurities while concentrating the spirit that will become legend. This clear liquid will spend years in oak, gaining color, character, and value.
Only the best spirit earns the right to age into Pappy Van Winkle.
Thousands of barrels, each one unique, slowly transforming over time. The barrel is where the real magic of Pappy Van Winkle happens over many years. Too strong and the barrel can't do its job. This balance is critical for the final flavor. The char level determines how much vanilla, caramel, and spice the bourbon will gain over time.
Now the waiting begins. Years in wood will turn this spirit into something extraordinary.
Every barrel develops differently. These tastings guide which ones will become Pappy Van Winkle.
Constant attention ensures every drop develops the signature Pappy smoothness.
Time does what no machine can. This is where Pappy earns its legendary status. Only the finest barrels earn the Pappy Van Winkle name. This is the final judgment.
After years of patience, the bourbon finally leaves its oak home. Every detail is perfected before it reaches the bottle.
Science confirms what the master's palate already knows.
One last pause before the world gets to experience it.
Attention to detail continues right until the end.
From grain to glass, every step has led to this moment.
The bottles that will carry one of America's most prized spirits.
A signature that represents years of craftsmanship.
Every bottle receives the same careful measure of liquid gold.
A proper seal ensures the bourbon continues to evolve gracefully in the bottle. The label tells the story that took decades to create. Every bottle can be traced back to its exact barrel origins.
Technology ensures perfection reaches the consumer.
Protected for the journey from distillery to collector. Ready for warehouses and collectors around the world.
Protected for the long journey ahead.
Even the packaging must meet the highest standards.
Nothing leaves unless it is perfect. From this distillery to your glass, the journey is fully traceable.
The last machine check before the bourbon heads into the world. Comprehensive end-of-line inspection protects brand reputation. The bottle must look as extraordinary as the liquid inside. Every element tells the story behind the bourbon.
Ready for the journey to collectors and connoisseurs.
The outside now matches the legend within.
From single bottles to pallets in Burley, the supply chain begins. One pallet represents years of patience and craftsmanship.
One last check before it leaves the distillery.
This is the full journey of America's most expensive bourbon.
Numbers that represent decades of dedication.
Every bottle here began as grain years ago. Limited releases like Pappy create intense demand and high secondary market values.
This is what patience, skill, and time create. One of the world's most revered bourbons.